What's going on YouTube? Moltan here with another mix up mini tutorial. I hope you're doing well. If you enjoyed the last video and you enjoyed this one, please remember to leave a like, drop a comment and consider subscribing. We bring Dead by Daylight content, Apex content, mix up content and any story game we're playing at a time. Like if you check out our shorts, it's mainly Last of Us at the moment. Last of Us 2, which is an amazing game. But today we're going to show you how to add entrance sounds for your viewers, your VIPs, your mods, and whatever you want to do like that. People that you want everyone in your chat to basically know they're there. So you come into your mix it up bot here. You click up on the, I call it the burger, but call it whatever you want, the three lines in the top. You will scroll down and you will find user. You'll click into here and then type in a name in here. So let's say Avenging Woods. All right. And then you click the search button there. As you can see, Twitch, subscriber, you click the action button, the pencil here, and then it brings up this little menu. So then you scroll down to options where it says custom entrance command right here. And then you'll click the pencil. Make sure this is ticked on if you want the sound to keep coming through. You click edit command here. As you can see, I've already got it. You add the sound here, so you'll browse your files. You'll add whichever entrance sound you want. You can download an MP3 from anywhere that you want to. Just try and make sure that it's 15 seconds or less, just to avoid that DMCA strike. Make sure that your audio output device is whatever your desktop audio picks up, or whatever you're listening to. So it'd be either desktop audio or for me, it's headphones Elgato Wave because I have my headphones attached to my microphone. And then make sure that you set the volume a bit lower. Like I haven't set it yet, but make sure you set it a bit lower down here, just because otherwise it does blow your ears out. And to add the sound, you click on this drop down box here, and you scroll down, and there's the sound right there. And you add it like that. I've added a little chat message. Here is Worthy has just arrived because, well, Avenging Words is kind of in the name. And then you just click the save button. And that is as simple as it gets. If there's anything that you would like me to show you through YouTube, if you'd like a tutorial and anything, if you'd like me to explain anything, then please comment below. And if I know how to do it, I will help you do it. I'm going to try and post one of these every day if I can. But yeah, make sure that you like the video, drop a comment, and if you really feel nice, hit that subscribe button. We're trying to get to 1,000 before the end of the year. So there'll be a whole bunch and array of content coming out. And yeah, make sure that you stay safe, stay well, and see you in the next one, guys. Peace.